The last button I want to code is this colors button. So I'm going to go to design view. I'm going to click on colors, make sure colors is selected. I'm going to make sure I have the events tab clicked, and I'm going to click on the click event. I now have a new event, a callback function, that is the colors button click event. Now when that's triggered, I want to do a couple things. First, I want to set the color background. So I'm going to set a property of the background. I'm going to set the home screen, and I'm going to set the background color. And then there's this colors block that I can set, and I'm going to set it to some random numbers. So I'm going to be using a lot of those random blocks here. I'm going to set the RGB to, let's say a random between 0 and 255, which just so happens to be the color range of R, G, and B. So I'm going to set R to 0 and 255, G to 0 and 255, and I'm having a hard time seeing it all. Wow, that's a problem I didn't expect. I can't seem to be able to scroll. Wow. 0 and 255, and one more random block. I don't know how I'm going to do this one. This is going to be tricky. I don't know how I'm going to get it in there. I'm just going to type it then. Random number between 0 and 255. Oh, that was weird. I can't see it either to see if I did it right. Yep, I did it right. Okay, so that is going to be in place. That was kind of, I have my screen blown up, so hopefully you don't have that same problem, but if you do, you saw what I did. All right, let's just check the color. So when I click on colors, it does change the background color to a random series of colors. Now I want to do that same thing for the icon color for each of the icons. Now the home screen is only going to change once, but the icons I want to change a number of times, which is going to be important when we do our for loop. But for the I'm going to do that same. First, I'm just going to change it with 1, which is going to be icon 0. I'm going to set the icon color, and again, I'm going to use that RGB code, and I'm going to do the same random color thing. I wonder if nope, I can't duplicate it, darn. I'm going to do that same RGB thing where I'm going to go the R between 0 and 255, the G between 0 and 255. Come on, get in there. There we go. 0 and 255. And this last one, again, I'm going to have that struggle with. So I'm just going to type it in. And plug that thing in. Now, in theory, when I run this, I should get my shapes. I'm going to move them to random locations. And one of them, yep, is changing color randomly. Now, I want all the icons to change to different colors. So in order to do that, I need the magical power of that for loop again, which is in control. I'm going to move that, but I'm not going to change the home screen color 250 times. I could, but why? I just want to change the icon. And I'm going to use that +I format again. And I want to make sure I iterate through all 20 of the icons. When I run that code, I can change the shapes, I can change the locations, change the shapes, locations, and colors. Look at that. There's one more thing I want to do, and I'll show that in the final video.